Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off suggest animated emoji on your accounts on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on the three lines and click settings. Now click start settings and now here you will find it stickers and emoji settings. Click on it and click emoji and now click like this and it should be turned off. And that's it for today. That's how to turn off suggest animated emoji, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.